Welcome back, everyone. Scott here, and this is our 3-month update of our ongoing 38-way ceramic coatings and sealants longevity test. As you can see, we have a lot of dust and dirt on this hood right now from a recent rainstorm a few days ago. I'm trying to avoid the rain when I'm filming this today. As usual, check out the link in the description as to where you can buy these products, as it does help the channel out. I also have an awesome spreadsheet with all the info and SDS on these products to help you make that decision. As usual, we will foam this hood down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then inspect the hydrophobic properties of everything before we dry it off. If you're new to the channel, not familiar with these tests, I've been doing tests like these for the last 6 years now. This hood will stay outside of our shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, exposed to the elements, and we will wash and inspect it on a monthly basis until the last one fails. Without further ado, let's get to it. The panel with ETHOS Graphene is actually CQUARTZ UK 3.0, topped with SIC. I just haven't changed the label yet. I have it made, just haven't had time. On to Owner's Pride, Tech 580. Both of those still doing okay. Pearl Nano, both of those had failed already. Jescar, Extreme, APS, 3D, all 4 of those I believe have already failed. Jescar looks like it's got something a little bit hanging on, but I think we already called that failed. IGL Kinzo Graphene doing alright. Glossette 10H doing alright. On to the next row, KB Diamond Plus. That is a spray, looking all right. Hydrosilex, yeah, it's not quite weak, but it's getting there. TLC Black Ice, kind of in the same boat. It's still protecting, but it's showing some signs of weakness. Turtle Wax, Flex Wax, doing all right. Turtle Wax, Liquid Wax, I believe that's called the Max Wax. Looks like it. Would you call that failed? I think we're gonna call that failed. Turtle Wax, Seal and Shine, still doing all right. And Turtle Wax Ceramic Spray, looks like it's starting. Well, no, it's still doing all right. It's getting on the weaker side. McGuire's Hybrid Ceramic Wax Dry and Wet Application. Hanging in there in both cases. Showing some signs of weakness, but it's still hanging in there. Dry definitely looks like it's doing better than the wet application. 303 Graphene, the old batch and the new batch. Old batch still weak, new batch is definitely doing better than the old batch. What are your thoughts on that? Sprayway has already failed. CQUARTZ UK 3.0, still doing exceptional, very hydrophobic. CQUARTZ SIC also, and CQUARTZ Light. So basically all the CARPRO products look like they're doing good. Soft 99 Fuso, also outstanding hydrophobics. That's the one that's been the most impressive for me in this test, the most surprising. BCC still doing okay, and then the ceramic wax has failed. Avalon King, and that's HK Tianmei, not JK. HK and Werixen, those 3, very similar performance. Avalon King, HK, and Werixen. You can see they're all hanging on there, but it's definitely not as hydrophobic as they were from day one. The other Chinese coating is Nanoage 9H, also known as Nanobond, and you can see it is behaving differently, a little better than those other 3. A little more hydrophobic. You see how the water just sticks just a little bit less. And Jack's Wax 9H, doing good. Lone Star pre-production ceramic coating, ceramic spray coating, it's looking weak. And Adam's graphene spray coating also looking weak. Addendum's graphene coating doing okay. So I've had some issues with the Addendum's graphene spray coating as far as being consistent. Each test that I do, I buy a new batch, and there's a reason for that, to test consistency if we do test one of these products more than once. Addendum's is the one that I've run into inconsistent batches, and I don't know if they had a bad batch and I just got one of those, but if you look in my ceramic spray coatings test, it's doing great 6, 7, 8 months on. But then I had my 8-way graphene products test where it lasted about 60 days, and here we are at about the 90-day mark, and it's looking about the same, like it's nearing failure. So not sure what that says, but that's 3 different batches with 2 similar results and 1 different result. So there you go, guys. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell icon so you get notifications, like the video, and of course comment down below. Thanks again. See you soon.